In this video, I'm going to show you how to animate text in Framer. Now, the first thing you want to do here, you want to open up your Framer, of course, your website, your page, whatever you're building, and then in here, you can go ahead and select some text by just clicking on this text block. And then over here on the right, you can see if you scroll down a bit, there's going to be effects. Now, inside effects, you can basically click on this plus icon and select which effect you want. So these effects are basically going to be animations of your text. So if I just go ahead and, for example, do appear over here, and if I go ahead and basically select the preset for which I'm just going to do, let's just do a slide in top over here, and then I'm going to do on appear. I'm not going to do on scroll for this one. And always when you make a change, you can then go ahead and click on this preview button up top, and as you can see, it's basically going to preview it. So if I reload, there we go. Anytime you basically come back, it's going to kind of do that. Okay, now if I go back here, I can go ahead and of course change this effect as well. I could go ahead and, for example, do on scroll, and now you can change a bunch of different things. So directions can be down or up, replay, yes or no. There's a bunch of different things you can do. If I go to replay again, as you can see, whenever I basically scroll down, it's going to reappear, okay? Because it's, of course, doing the effect over and over again. Now, of course, you could go ahead and loop these things as well. So if I go back in here, and if I do, for example, on appear, or for example, let's just do a different effect right now. So I'm going to do plus, and let's just do a loop over here. And I want a loop to be, let's just do a delay of 1 second over here, and then let's just see what happens. So I'm going to click on this preview button. There we go. And as you can see, it's now basically looping around. It's doing like a circular motion. Now, of course, there's a bunch of different effects you can actually use in here. You could, of course, set different drags, different scrolls over here. You could do like presses, stuff like that. There's a bunch of different ones. Just play around with these, and every single time you do it, go ahead and make sure you actually preview it so you actually see what this looks like. As you can see, now when I'm clicking on it, it's actually going like popping in and out, which is pretty cool. And there's a bunch of different ones you can actually set up, and then just basically you could make sequences and stuff like that with it, and you can make your website a bit more interactive. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.